saw somewhere some dog here, guys. It's very pity, no, guys. Very Ito, what happened to you? Huh? No. Oh, any dog. Ano sa mga katoy? Huh? You're so thin. Ano ka? What happened? Huh? What happened to you, toy? Huh? Luya sa iro, guys. He went somewhere there, hiding. La. What happened to you? Huh? Don't be afraid. Huh? God, look. Don't be afraid. Luya, guys. Mera ka, toy. It's very pity. Guys, once you have dog like this, guys, please take care properly. Luya sa iro. Luya tao na ito. What happened to you? Oh. Ano naman ka, toy? What happened? Asa magikaon nimo toy? Stand up. Good. I think eating shrimp, guys. Money sa result, guys. If you feed them shrimp, the askal dog, if you feed them shrimp, seafoods, if you like this, until they will become thin and no more hairs, lot of bones. Kagit sa ito. Luya na mo to. Huh? God. Hey, doggy. You're the mother, toy. Huh? See this? It's so very pretty. Smell. Ay, lakaw to. Puyo ra ka sa house. Asa man yung house? One is around here, guys. See, all of these are mangoes. I think this is a mango dog. No, there's a house there and there. So I think this from them. What happened to it, toy? Huh? Kira ka? It's a lot of bones. Amping, toy. Stay healthy, toy. Hahay tayo pagkagit. Sana maayaw na ka. Tao sa iyo. If you have dog, guys, please take care of them properly. Don't let them become like this. This is so pretty. Sino, tubag na siya. Yes. Sorry, toy, for what happened to you.